Hi everybody, Scott Kelby here, and I want to talk to Lightroom users. Lightroom users, have you ever dreamed of saying the phrase, I know Photoshop? Well, I know you can just say the phrase, but have you ever dreamed of saying it and mean it, like you actually know Photoshop? Well, let me tell you, there's a lot of people just like you, because I just came off a 1.5-year seminar tour teaching Lightroom. And on the breaks, I would talk to people. Do you know what the #1 comment I would hear is? I know I need to learn Photoshop. Because you bought the bundle where you get Photoshop and Lightroom together, but you just need some way to learn it. If somebody would just write a book for Lightroom users to teach them Photoshop, maybe the book would be called Photoshop for Lightroom users, like the one I'm holding right here. Holy cow. I cover everything from retouching, compositing, fixing problem photos, removing distracting stuff, sharpening, all the latest special effects. It's all the stuff that you jump over from Lightroom to Photoshop for. I don't cover the stuff you can already do in Lightroom, it's just the other stuff. And I show you all the exact techniques that I use every day in my own workflow, including a bunch of time-saving tips and techniques that will get you up and running fast. Look, this is gonna unlock a whole new world for you. You're moving to a whole new level with Photoshop, and you're gonna learn all the latest looks, all the new features, exactly which tools you need to learn and which tools you can just stay away from. If you're ready to scream those words you've always longed to say, I know Photoshop, then go pick up a copy of Photoshop for Lightroom users, and you'll find it wherever really awesome books are sold.